Hook, ever wondered if the AI assistant on your phone is secretly spying on you? Or worse, manipulating your thoughts? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Gemini, a powerful AI language model, to answer the burning question, is it safe to use? Building context. AI's rise. Start by explaining the rapid rise of AI in our daily lives. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is becoming increasingly integrated into our society. Gemini's capabilities. Highlight Gemini's impressive capabilities, such as its ability to generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. Privacy concerns. Introduce the growing concerns about privacy in the age of AI. Discuss how AI systems can collect and process vast amounts of personal data. Safety concerns. Data collection. Explain how Gemini collects and uses data. Discuss the types of data it collects, such as your queries, interactions, and potentially sensitive information. Bias and discrimination. Address the issue of bias in AI systems. Explain how AI can perpetuate or amplify existing biases present in the data it is trained on. Misinformation. Discuss the potential for AI to spread misinformation and disinformation. Explore how Gemini could be used to create fake news or manipulate public opinion. Addressing safety measures. Google's commitment. Highlight Google's commitment to AI safety. Discuss the steps they have taken to ensure responsible development and deployment of Gemini. Privacy policies. Examine Gemini's privacy policies. Discuss the measures Google has implemented to protect user data, such as encryption and data minimization. Transparency and accountability. Explore Google's efforts to be transparent about Gemini's capabilities and limitations. Discuss how they are working to ensure accountability for any potential negative consequences. Expert opinions. Interviews. Include interviews with experts in AI ethics, privacy law, and cybersecurity. Ask them about their concerns regarding Gemini and whether they believe it is safe to use. Research studies. Refer to relevant research studies that have investigated the safety and ethical implications of AI language models. Weighing the risks and benefits. Balancing act. Discuss the balance between the benefits of AI and the potential risks. Explore the positive impact that Gemini can have on areas such as education, healthcare, and research. Individual responsibility. Emphasize the importance of individual responsibility when using AI. Encourage viewers to be mindful of the information they share with Gemini and to critically evaluate the output it generates. Conclusion. Final thoughts. Summarize the key points discussed in the video. Offer your own perspective on whether Gemini is a safe app to use. Call to action. Encourage viewers to do their own research and make informed decisions about using AI. Suggest resources for further exploration, such as privacy advocacy organizations and AI ethics guidelines. Closing statement. End the video with a strong statement that leaves a lasting impression. For example, while Gemini offers incredible potential, it's essential to approach it with caution and a critical eye. The future of AI depends on our collective responsibility to ensure it is developed and used ethically. Remember to use engaging visuals, animations, and sound effects to enhance the video's impact.